Hey, it's Big Jeff coming to you with another monthly update. And we're in May. I'm sorry it's been a little late. We normally get them done in the beginning, but there's been so much going on, like I don't even remember. I mean, we just came back from North Carolina at first time being at a drag race, NHRA event, sponsoring Camry Caruso. Me and some of the guys, we drove up there. I was down on the track. I got to see the burnouts. I met so many people. It was incredible, like the experience. We started our own podcast, Big Sound by Big Jeff. We had our first episode. By the time you even hear this, we'll be working on our second episode. That's Thursday nights at 7:30 p.m. Eastern time. And I'm trying to make the podcast like a show, like not just a bunch of people talking, and nothing wrong with that. There's plenty of good podcasts out there. But we wanted to bring in not just car audio, but people from the NHRA. We want to bring in YouTube creators. We want to bring in even customers or people with builds and really talk to them one-on-one to get a better understanding of their industry or their hobby or their sport and about them directly. So me and my creative team here, which is putting in this in their own time, which is awesome. Big thanks to them. It's not easy, right? I do videos. I'm an outgoing person. I talk to people all the time, but trying to keep a show in a certain amount of time and stay on target and do some giveaways as give backs. That's what we do here. Not just the stuff we give away in every order when you order from BigJeffAudio.com, but a real give back to the customers that support us, because we wouldn't be here without them. And I say that all the time. I'm really a humble person. I started in a 1,000 square foot house with a single car garage and literally $150 to build this company in less than 5 years to where it is. And we have 30 plus employees. And now on social media total, we have close to 200,000 between followers, subscribers. That's huge. Like it humbles me to know that we have those loyal people. And in the company, we try to make this company working for it a good experience. And although you can't make everybody happy, I'm sure you all work with people that come and go or do what they do. We try to not just supplying benefits or medical or stuff like that. We do bonuses and we do lunches and we do meetings, and it's definitely a fast-growing company that has tried to promote within. There's a lot to juggle here. There's a lot, and even trying to have a personal life, which is hard. I just had a birthday, and even trying to go away for one day and turn a half day, I still have to work. But I'm not complaining. This is good. We're past tax return season, and we're still staying steady. We have so many new brands. We brought in LED Glow, Gale Force. What else we got? Kickers being strong. We just brought in Full Tilt Audio, which is colors of wires. John Rabe from Sky High. We've been working together and we're selling a Sky High product, Sound Cubed and Trinity, and he's been pushing Black Diamond Audio for us. It's incredible what goes on. Some days, I just want to pull the hair out of my head. Some days I just want to run away from sometimes people online and comments or the stuff that they say or what they do. But what keeps me coming back is the followers and the supporters, and even with employees, the employees I got here that really care. That's what keeps me coming, knowing that I got to make sure they get their paycheck every 2 weeks and that they're building up to have a better life. So, it's Big Jeff Audio is not just a brand or a store. It's a way of life. And we're doing the best we can. We're even starting to do car shows. Give a big shout out. A lot of times people just want money from us, or they want advertisements or like a one-way. But we needed a trailer because we're going to start doing shows and bring them the Yukon, which is hair tricks for $1. I even get people yelling, and not many, so it doesn't really matter. It's a few. Oh, I wouldn't pay $1 to demo. You should do that. Well, it's not even about that. It's just a gimmick, and the $1 we would collect if you had it would go hopefully to breast cancer awareness, and You still get people even getting on you about that. But I reached out because I needed a trailer. We got to pull the Yukon. Right now, we're taking it to Made of Steel to show the progress from XLR8 gauge over there. And then we're bringing the Big Jeff golf cart, and I got to run the BMW up there for the Made of Steel show. So I reached out to one of our sponsors on the race car, and Wright Trailers, Mike over there was great. I mean, communicated right away, told him what I need, and then, said, hey, let me get you a discount, take care of you, and offer a discount to all your followers. Now, people need trailers for if they're in the demos or builds, or if they have companies, lawn care, whatever. There's multiple reasons why I need a trailer. And they're everywhere. They're nationwide, so it's a big company. And he said, "Hey, tell you if they even just say they're a Big Jeff follower or fan, we'll give them $250 off, automatic. Whatever the sale they have, doesn't matter." And that's cool, So I am giving him a shout out. I am giving him a plug. He didn't give me the trailer for free. I wouldn't expect that. We paid for it. He just took care of me, and then to take care of my customers on top of that. If you're buying a $2,000 trailer, $250 off is a lot. I mean, the tax, the plates, whatever, that could help out. So big shout out to them. We'll leave some information up here for them, and definitely official trailer company for Big Jeff Audio, and hopefully for other people. But, May, man, we've been here almost a year at the new shop, and when people work here, they get hired here, they don't realize how many moving parts there are. They think just a stereo shop, which we're not, and then they think, okay, just a seller online. Man, we got a lot going on with Amazon, Walmart, our website. There's so many moving parts. We're up to now 4, 5, 6 people in our online creative team, over 6 people in our customer service team, and they're barely even keeping up with the responses daily. So hopefully understand, it's not just one person sending a message or a text or whatever. It's thousands of people. And even online, I've even got yelled at because I didn't respond back. So if I was to show you my phone right now, and between my personal account and the business account, scrolling, there's thousands of messages and comments and shares and reposts. Like, I do my best, so understand that. I am one person, and I don't have much of a personal life. And my team here really busts their hump. They do. I got some good, faithful employees here. And not just to the company, to the customer. And I try to instill that all the time in them, that it's all about the customer. And yeah, we can't make everybody happy. And there's going to be a few. It is what it is. But the 99.9% of them, we go to the extent, the extra mile. And you see that in the feedback and the reviews. So there's a lot coming. There's a lot we're trying to do. And we do our best. So I'd like to come to everybody, remind them we have blogs. Go to Big Jeff Audio. Hopefully Ben can show that here. We have a blog section. We're putting up daily blogs. We have the employees doing weekly blogs about experiences, product, the store, themselves. And then we just implemented every Friday, we set up a computer that after they clock back in from lunch, every employee does a 1 to 5 minute diary. Some of it we might put up or post, some we might not. And it's also a way for me to, and I tell them, be honest, the good and the bad, so I can see it. And that's how we make things better. So we have that going on, right? So you got that, you got podcasts. We already started the bloopers, where we have the warehouse guys wearing cameras, GoPros, and there's some funny footage there. So we're trying to make like a little reality show. There's so much that you try to get done, and there's not enough hours or days. So we do our best, and we're going to continue to grow, and we're going to do that by the support of you. And I appreciate that 100%. I mean that from the bottom of my heart. I know there's times I go off online with some people, but you can't just hold back. Sometimes people don't understand when there's that much, or especially when people lie about you or you brand and they don't tell the whole story. Sometimes I feel like I gotta set them straight, but I'm gonna try something new. I'm just gonna ignore it, right? Because unless it's another competitor brand talking bad about mine or lying, the rest of people, it is what it is. Let them talk. I'm not gonna give them the attention that they want. Because that's all it is. We're going to worry about the customers that are faithful and loyal, and we're going to worry about the employees that bust their hump every day, and we're going to worry about that, and we're going to worry about growing this company to bring great brands and product at great prices with incredible service. We have so many new Big Jeff items that we just give away. I don't think people realize how many thousands of dollars we do in giveaways every month or donations. I just went on, I think it's called Andy by Kicker, Kicky by Andy, big shout out to him, and just showed me some love being in his podcast. I was like, screw it, let's give away some stuff there. I try to do that everywhere. Yeah, it's part of marketing, right? I'm not gonna lie, but it's also to show that we're not one of those companies that just take. We take and we definitely give. Sometimes I feel like I give more, but that's what it's about. So I do these monthly updates to get you an idea of what's going on, to show my appreciation, for also new people to understand the company a little better. We are a wholesaler, distributor for the brands, all except for two, and we are an authorized online seller for all of them, and we do have a local walk-in showroom that people can come in and get internet price, and man, we're doing it. So May actually turned to be 5 years that I left my job full-time. So 5 years ago in May the 20th, left my job on good terms, started doing this full-time out of my house, and by January I had to move to a first location. I found something small, and here we are through COVID, through the economy, through all the stuff that we had to go through, and we're in our building and we're having fun for the most part, and we're doing it, and we're going to keep doing it. So here's the May update for Big Jeff from Big Jeff Audio, and now Big Sound by Big Jeff Podcast, which I'm so excited. And I'm signing off. I'll see you next month for another update. Thank you.